When it comes to improving your home's aesthetics, energy efficiency, and security, custom door installation is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. In Scottsdale, where the climate can be extreme and architectural styles vary from modern to Mediterranean-inspired, custom doors are a popular choice among homeowners looking for a personalized touch. However, the key to getting the most out of your investment is hiring a professional custom door installation service. Here are the top benefits of hiring Scottsdale custom door installation services for your home. Expert knowledge of local architecture and climate. Scottsdale is known for its distinct architecture and desert climate, which can both influence how well your doors perform over time. Scottsdale custom door installation services have specialized knowledge of the area's unique architectural styles, ensuring that your new doors perfectly complement your home's design. Additionally, they understand how the intense desert heat, occasional monsoons, and fluctuating temperatures can impact your doors. Professional installers can recommend the best materials and designs to withstand Scottsdale's climate. For example, fiberglass or steel doors are excellent choices for durability and insulation, while energy-efficient doors can help reduce heat transfer and keep your home cooler. Customized doors for a perfect fit. Custom doors are designed specifically for your home, which means they will be a perfect fit both aesthetically and functionally. Hiring professional custom door installation services ensures that your doors are measured and installed precisely to avoid common problems like drafts, air leaks, and poor sealing. Custom doors can be tailored to fit any unique or non-standard door opening, ensuring a seamless look. Whether you're installing a grand entry door, French patio doors, or sliding glass doors, Scottsdale professionals will take exact measurements and make sure the doors are installed correctly to maximize their performance and longevity. Increased energy efficiency. One of the most important benefits of professional door installation is the improvement in your home's energy efficiency. Scottsdale's scorching summers can cause your energy bills to skyrocket if your doors are not properly sealed or insulated. Older or improperly installed doors can allow cool air to escape and hot air to enter, making your air conditioning system work overtime. Hiring Scottsdale custom door installation services ensures that your doors are installed with precision, including proper sealing and insulation. This not only keeps your home comfortable but also reduces your energy bills by preventing drafts and heat transfer. Many custom doors are designed with energy-efficient features such as insulated cores, double or triple glass panes, and advanced weather stripping, which help enhance thermal performance in Scottsdale's desert climate. Enhanced security. Your home's doors are one of the most critical elements when it comes to security. Custom door installation services offer a wide range of options to enhance the security of your home. Professional installers can recommend doors made from reinforced materials such as steel or fiberglass, which are highly durable and resistant to forced entry. Moreover, custom door installation services provide expert installation of advanced locking systems, deadbolts, and smart security features. These additions not only improve the safety of your home but also give you peace of mind knowing that your family is protected by high-quality, secure doors. Improved curb appeal. The front door is often the focal point of your home's exterior, and upgrading to a custom door can significantly enhance its curb appeal. Custom doors allow you to choose from a variety of materials, finishes, colors, and designs that reflect your personal style and complement your home's architectural design. Whether you prefer a sleek modern entry door, a classic wooden design, or an eye-catching iron door, Scottsdale custom door installation services offer endless customization options to transform your home's appearance. A well-designed, professionally installed door not only improves the look of your home but also increases its value, making it a smart investment for the future. Professional installation for long-lasting durability. The quality of your door is only as good as its installation. Improperly installed doors can lead to a variety of problems, including misalignment, difficulty opening or closing, and even water damage. Scottsdale custom door installation professionals are trained to follow the best practices and ensure that your doors are installed with precision. They have the tools, experience, and expertise to handle even the most complex door installations, from oversized entry doors to multi-pane glass patio doors. By hiring a professional, you can avoid common DIY mistakes and ensure that your doors function smoothly and last for years to come. Time and stress savings. Installing a door might seem like a straightforward task, but it can quickly become complicated without the right tools and knowledge. Hiring Scottsdale custom door installation services saves you time and stress by taking care of every detail, from removing the old door to making sure the new one is perfectly aligned and sealed. Professionals also handle any potential issues that may arise during installation, such as adjustments to the frame or structural reinforcements. By leaving the work to experts, you can enjoy the results without the hassle of doing it yourself or worrying about future problems. Hiring Scottsdale custom door installation services is the best way to ensure that your new doors are both beautiful and functional. With expert knowledge of the local climate, precise installation, and customized solutions, professional installers provide long-lasting benefits that improve your home's energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. If you're looking to upgrade your home, custom door installation is a smart investment that offers lasting value and enhanced comfort.